Hello and welcome back. I'm going to show you how to insert the sample data into our Postgres database. So I'm going to search on Google. Yep, okay, I've run this search before, so just click on it. Then click here. I'm going to click here, PostgreSQL. Yep, it's opened up. Then I'm going to come down here. You can read, okay, these are the tables in the database, in the sample database we're going to download. Tables says there are 15 tables in the DVD rental database. That's great. Right now we don't have anything in our Postgres, so download. It's very quick. So I'm going to do it right now. Okay. So this is our sample database. So I'm going to extract it. Use this extract to DVD rental. After clicking it, we have this. Move this to your C drive. Just carry it and move it all the way to a C drive. But I already have one there already, so I'm just gonna show you this. If you click and open it, you're gonna see this inside it. So let me go back. Even if you open this, the same thing, DVD rentals. So right now we go straight to our database, pgAdmin. Going to create a new database here. We're going, okay. The name of the database, sample database, is DVD rentals. I've copied the name, so I'm just gonna paste it here. Yeah, done. Then save. It's gonna take some time to create. Okay, now we have it here. So I click on it. Once I click on it, it says connected down here. DVD database connected. Let's click. I'm going to come down to restore. You just leave it here on the default settings. Leave this here. Then we look for our extracted sample database. I put it in the C drive. So for it, okay, this is it. Click, and I come to the format. All files is showing now. Then I select it. Then click on restore. Okay, it's restoring. Says restoring back up on the server. Successful. That's good. Then I'm going to come to the database. Click it, open it, come to the schema. I want to view the table in the database. The sample data we just loaded. Okay, so I have actor, address, category, cities, country. So I'm going to view one of the tables. Let's select star from, go with actor. Let me view that table. then run. Let's see. This act. From query. Select asterisk from actor. So you can see we have our table. These are the columns. This is our row, like this, which is also called a record. So I'm going to check another table, frame. Okay, yeah, we have it. It's great, it's great. Okay, that's all. Thanks for joining me. Please subscribe, share, and like. Bye.